we go. Got a bite. Oh, that's a good one.
What?
Oh, that's a good one. Oh my word, Annie, it's a big one. It's bigger than the other one. Jeez, that's a big one.
I'm done with my lunch.
There we go.
And welcome to our channel. My name is Annie. Shooting, fishing, and outdoor. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Annie, what are you doing?
I'm going kayaking with Daddy.
Kayaking with Daddy?
Here, let me get the,
Oh, there's a camera.
Say hi, camera.
It's a channel.
What are you
Mommy,
guys fishing for tonight?
We're fishing. That's a big bass.
How big?
This big and small.
Oh, okay.
And a bluegill.
let me get in first.
I'm recording just in case you fall. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Tipped over, Daddy.
Imagine if you tipped over on the boat.
Okay, step.
All right, hold on. Yep, there you go. Good. All right, great.
When I was in Mom's kayak, I was kayaking good, but so I want to catch a fish.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Already?
But I'm going to eat later. So we're kayaking and we try to catch a fish. And we're so excited because we don't know if it's a big bass or a little bass. Right, Dad?
Yeah. There's some big ones over here.
I think so. On Mom's kayak, I was doing it. I was kayaking. So,
Oh, I caught it. Better hold on.
yes, my hat just got. That's so funny. Might be predators there.
I think I got a bite.
I don't know. Nah.
Oh, maybe I do have a bite. It's either a bluegill or a bass. Hey, I got one.
Hurry. You got this, you got this. You blow it, Hey, can I hold him in the lip?
Yeah.
Oh, your first shot. Your first catch. Very good. Very good,
Alright,
catch.
we got
Very good
one.
catch. Very good catch.
He was right up there where I thought he would be.
Yeah.
All right, you want to show the camera?
Alright.
You got him?
So I got this fish and it's so wiggly. Got it, it's a bass.
Maybe a few more right up here.
I think there's
Hey,
one.
hold it up real close to the camera. Like real close to the camera.
Like that. It's like, hurry. Can I put it in now?
Yeah.
I'm going to put it back. Home sweet home. There it
Oh,
is.
he's going to jump. He's going to jump. Is he going to do it? He's going to jump. There he goes. I knew he was going to jump.
Those little wiggles are like crazy. They were so silly.
They are silly.
When Mom was helping me kayak, we got it over there.
Yeah, we're going to go over there and let the wind drift us back. Because we're kind of fighting against the wind right now. Got it? Yeah, you better hang on to it. It's going to get wet.
I just got it. I can take it off for a minute.
Well, that's fine. Here, let's just go all the way back over here.
Do you love the way that tree looks? So beautiful.
Yeah. So this little tree right over here is a persimmon tree. It has a little fruit on it called persimmons.
You're so smart, Dad. About the trees.
Yeah, it's this one right here. Hey.
That one. Or that one.
Not this one, the one right next to it. Get see some of them are green and some of them are orangey looking.
Oh.
Those are persimmons.
Oh, persimmons.
Yeah, look, there's two right there low. I don't know if I can reach them. Yeah, they're a little high. I can't quite reach them. And that's a beaver dam in there.
Oh, beaver dam.
Mhm.
What if it...
See
It
if I can-
hurts. It hurts
What hurts?
if you get bited
Oh, I
by a
can't reach it.
beaver.
If you get bited by a beaver?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, probably would.
You will bleed.
Oh, yeah, look, I'm going to be able to get you a persimmon. Now, don't eat them. They are sour. Those are persimmons.
Oh.
Here, we'll take them to the house and let them ripen at the house.
Oopsie.
Do not bite into it whenever they're green. They are super sour.
These almost look like tomatoes.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got him.
Yeah, what if he got off?
Let's get away from the tree.
He got him. He got him. He got him. He got him. He's like dragging. I think the same one just
There he is.
Can I hold him?
Yeah. Oh, look, we got him good. Look at that, GoPro.
Yeah.
Alright. Hold it up there real close.
Alright.
You can show.
Look at this. Isn't it awesome? I'm going to put it back. Sweet home. There he goes.
There he goes. Look at those ducks, Annie. You see? All those are ducks.
Oh, yeah. I heard that you can shock them.
That you can what?
You can shock them.
Shock them.
No, shot them like a deer.
Oh, shot them. Like you mean shoot them?
Uh-huh, shoot.
Yeah.
Like when they're in the water and when they're starting to fly, you shoot them.
Yeah, you know why?
Uh-huh.
People eat those.
Uh-huh.
They eat them. Don't get too close. I'm getting too close.
Catching fish is fun.
It's fine.
The real one. You can tell the difference between a boat and a kayak because of the kayak is smaller.
Got him. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, that's a better one.
That's a
Oh, it's a big one.
Whoa.
Oh, it's a big one.
It's killing me. Oh, it's strong.
Oh, Lord, help us to get this fish.
Oh, whoa, big. It's big. Whoa, big. Whoa, that's big. This time I'll let you hold it.
Oh, I missed him. Come back here.
Whoa, that's a big
Oh,
fish.
come here.
It's
come
like
here.
it must be a 1,500 pound. It must
Wow.
be a 1,500 pound.
That was awesome.
It must be a 1,500 pound.
It's a big one.
It must be a 1,500. It
On
must
the
be a
little Ned
1,500.
rig.
Whoa.
Good grief.
Oh, whoa, it's
That was fun. Look at
Whoa.
that.
Yeah! Yeah, baby!
Alright, here, let me get
it's
settled
so
here.
cute.
Get
Look,
settled.
it's so big.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
Here, we'll put the little
They say yeah, baby. Yeah,
little thing on
baby.
it. Put him back in there for just a second. Alright.
I want to just. It's a very big bass.
That is a big one. It's probably a 4-pounder.
Can I
man.
touch her?
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that GoPro.
Yeah!
You want to hold him, Annie?
I don't know if I
Look,
can.
you can hold him like this.
That?
Look at that.
Yeah, big
It's a
bag.
big one.
Yeah, big bag.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Alright, let me see if I can get a picture with my phone.
Alright, that's going to be a huge fish.
Alright, you ready?
Alright.
Alright, you got him? Here he goes.
Hi.
Right. Oh, got a bite.
Oh, you got a bite. Oh, there's a little bird. Hi. Hi. Is that a little pig? Oh, so cute.
That's what I was expecting to catch. I wasn't expecting to catch the one I caught. Could have eaten this one. You want to show the GoPro?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Ah, look at this fishy. Oh, is it cute? I'm going to release it. That was a very good jump for that.
Good jump, wasn't it?
That was a good jump for him.
You know, that smelly stuff.
Speaking of,
Oh, bite.
I see the moon.
There he is.
I think he will might
It's a little bit bigger one. Not much, but you probably don't want to touch him since you're eating, so I'll just show the camera. There he is. Look at that one.
Yeah, it's big, huh?
Yeah, not really.
It's medium.
He's not as small as some of the others, but he's little.
Yeah.
Here we go. Got a bite. Oh, that's a good one.
What?
Oh, that's a good one. Oh my word, Annie, it's a big one. It's bigger than the other one. Oh my word, Anna, this is a big one. That is a 5-pounder there.
That was my sandwich.
Oh my goodness.
That was my sandwich.
Jeez, that's a big one.
I'm done with my lunch.
There we go.
I'm done with my lunch. I bet he's mad.
Oh my god, look at that one.
Wait, I think it's the same kind we just caught over.
Yeah. That's another big one.
Oh, it's so cute.
On a little net rig. That's probably a 4.5-pounder there, Annie.
Hey, can I hold it?
Yeah, here, let's get the little thing on him so we can put him back in here and I can put away my stuff. Look at that GoPro.
Yeah! I'm done with my lunch.
Wow, wasn't expecting
That's
to catch two
That's a big guy.
4-pounders on this trip. Jeez.
Isn't this way more fun than we caught the other? Wait, I think it's the same
We're
kind
having
that we
a
just
great
got.
afternoon. This is incredible. Wasn't expecting to catch that.
Oh, look at me tip over.
Oh, it's a big one.
Yeah, big baby. Big baby.
We'll have to go show Miss Cookie this one.
Yeah.
All right, you gonna remember holding by this part here? Let's go show Miss Cookie.
Alright. I can still face you, right?
Hmm?
I can still face you.
Well, you want to keep fishing this for a little bit, and then we'll go show Miss Cookie? Because he's fine. He's on this thing here. He's not going anywhere.
Meadows.
Watch this. We're about to catch another one. Yeah.
Hands over there.
Oh, I already got a bite.
Alright, go,
Here,
go,
you
go,
want to set the hook and catch this one?
go. Alright.
All right, there you go. All right, reel. Still on. There you go. You got him. Don't reel him to the tip, baby. Don't reel him all the way to the tip. So look, whenever you do that, look, you don't want to reel him all the way to the tip. Leave a little bit of slack. Yeah, there you go. Good job, Annie. We're just catching them like crazy this afternoon. All right, you want to show them?
Look at this guy. I love him. Is it awesome? Where's he? Aww, so cute. I'm gonna reach you. It's me. Can I do on this side?
Yeah, there you go.
So just let him go in. He's swimming. Whoa, it's a big
There's
one.
so many of them.
It must be
There you go. You want to reel him? You reel him?
I don't know if I can really hold that. All right.
Just don't reel him up to the tip. All right, that's probably close enough. Now let's bring him up. Yeah.
That one's strong. He may be little, but he might be strong. You might be a little fishy, but you're very strong.
All right, here you go. You
Oh,
want
it's
to
so
GoPro
cute.
that?
Look at this guy. He's so big. No. Fishy, no.
Uh-oh.
No. He closed his mouth. Come on. He closed his mouth.
All right, throw him back.
Look at him. He got spooked by something. We were almost going to be stuck in the mud. Look, we were almost going to be stuck in the
grab
mud.
bite.
Oh.
I mean, there's so many of them. It's just crazy. Oh, he got loose.
You almost splashed me. This is what I do when you're about to splash me.
Man, he is still wound up, isn't
That giant one is so good. Hey, you want to play the video that we're working on right now?
he? Got him that time.
Got him! Whoa, that's cutie. He might be small, but he's really cute. Alright, so got a fish, and it's the greatest fish of all.
All right, you gonna show him?
Yes. Look at this fishy. No. Look at. Alright, same
Yeah,
thing.
these little fish over here act like they ain't never seen a lure before. The ones over by the house.
Bye. So that was a great fish for Dad.
Thanks.
Imagine if the fish that we caught was following us.
Oh, got one.
Oh, you got
I
one.
mean, it's just so many of them. You got him? Here, hold him. You got it?
Try to.
All right, bring him up. Yeah.
It's a great fish. Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Here he is. You show GoPro?
Alright, GoPro.
Oh, the wind's finally pushing us off that spot.
Don't.
All right, that's
Look at
probably
this fishy. That's awesome. Hi, fishy. Oh, let's flip her. Bye.
All right.
Ah.
That's it. All right.
The sprinklers are on.
I think I have one. I do. Yeah.
Whoa.
He was swimming towards me. He was so little I couldn't feel him.
I'm eating right now.
Here he is.
I'm eating right now.
Fun fishing
I
trip,
see the
okay.
moon.
Ah, I see it too. Really fun trip. Yeah,
I think I see Miss
I
Cookie.
see Miss Cookie too. Miss Cookie is a hard worker. She
Yeah.
is working. That was a fun trip.
Yeah. I see Miss Cookie.
I see Miss Cookie too. Oh, there we go.
Going?
Yep.
Alright, can I reel it in?
Yep.
Oh, it looks hard. Oh, I have
Right
eggs
here,
that's what
here.
I'm picking.
Here, you want to reel him?
Yeah.
Remember, don't reel him right up to the very top. There you go. And then we can swing him up. Oh, he's dark. Look how dark this one is.
Oh, it's cute. Oh, look at the back.
You got him? Alright, that's a good one to end on. We'll go show,
Oh, alright.
good job, Annie.
Is that how you release the fish? That's why I'm doing that to be
Man,
gentle with
what an
them.
afternoon. That was incredible.
Yeah, I bet we still have the gigantic fish.
Yeah, he's still behind me.
A giant. He just got a giant on his back. We're scared to see this giant.
He caught 2 big ones. And I kept the biggest one.
We got 2 big ones.
Well, but I just have 1 big one now. Oh, he did get off. We got pictures of him. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Well, that stinks. That's the whole reason I drug him around half the pond. Oh well.
How big do you think it was?
Probably 4.5.
Hey,
You
want to show the pictures?
yeah. I'm sorry. That stinks.
It's okay. It's okay, Daddy.
It's okay. We're going to show this cookie to this. Let's go see her.
Here, I'll send him to you here.
Okay. Annie, tell us what happened.
So we caught some big fish today. Yeah.
What happened to it?
So the one we was dragging, the biggest one that we was dragging around, it just got off.
Hang on.
Come on,
Alright, you got her.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Alright, you're welcome.